What if I told you that ordinary people are simply turning their passions into millions by uploading videos? Yes, the same platform you scroll through every day is creating millionaires. Why not you? Think about it. YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Emma Chamberlain, and Marques Brownlee didn't start as stars. They started just like you, with nothing but a camera and a dream. Today, they're building empires, working on their terms, and living lives most of us only imagine. But here's the truth, they're not lucky. They've mastered the strategies, learned the hacks, and discovered the formula for YouTube success. And in this video, I'm about to show you how they did it. I will provide the step-by-step guide to success. Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Are you tired of watching others succeed while you sit on the sidelines, wondering when it will be your turn? This is your sign, your moment, the opportunity to turn your creativity into cash and your passion into profit. Here's the kicker. You don't need millions of followers to start making serious money. Monetizing your channel, building brand partnerships, and creating multiple income streams. These are the secrets YouTubers use to skyrocket their earnings. And guess what? They're not keeping them hidden. Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. YouTube has undergone a remarkable transformation since its inception, evolving from a simple video sharing platform into a thriving business opportunity for countless individuals. Initially, it served as a space for users to upload and share personal videos, but over the years, it has blossomed into a dynamic ecosystem where content creators can monetize their passions and build substantial brands. This shift has created a new wave of entrepreneurs who leverage their creativity and unique perspectives to engage audiences worldwide. In this video, we will explore YouTube's fascinating evolution and how it has empowered creators to turn their hobbies into lucrative careers. The creator economy is not just a trend, but a significant shift in how we perceive work and entrepreneurship in the digital age. As we navigate this landscape, we will highlight creators' incredible potential to establish their identities, connect with their audiences, and generate income through various revenue streams. YouTube's transition from a casual video sharing platform to a monetized content creation hub marked the creator's turning point. In 2007, the introduction of the YouTube Partner Program allowed users to earn ad revenue from their videos, transforming the online content landscape. This shift incentivized creators to produce higher quality content and establish YouTube as a legitimate career path for many. As creators began to see financial returns on their efforts, the platform attracted diverse talent, from gamers to educators, all eager to share their passions while earning a living. Who is an influencer? The term influencer often carries negative connotations in mainstream media, where it is frequently associated with superficiality and a lack of substance. Critics argue that influencers prioritize aesthetics over authenticity, perpetuating unrealistic standards and consumerism. However, this stereotype overlooks the fact that many influencers are talented and creative individuals who use their platforms to share valuable insights, promote social causes, and foster genuine connections with their audiences. Historically, the concept of influence is not new. It has existed for centuries, with figures like artists, writers, and public figures shaping societal opinions long before social media emerged. An influencer is someone who, through their authority, knowledge, or relationship with their audience, has the power to affect the purchasing decisions or opinions of others. This definition highlights the potential for influencers to be more than just trendsetters. They can also be educators, advocates, and innovators in their fields. The power of partnership. Partnerships are crucial in helping creators build successful businesses. Collaboration with business experts can significantly enhance their product launches. By teaming up with professionals with experience in branding, marketing, and distribution, creators can more effectively navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship. This collaboration allows creators to focus on their strengths, content creation, and audience engagement while leveraging the expertise of others to develop a robust business strategy. Branding and marketing are essential components of this strategy as they help establish a creator's identity and communicate the value of their products to potential customers. For instance, creators can seamlessly integrate their products into their content, showcasing them in an organic and authentic way. For example, a beauty influencer might demonstrate their own makeup line in tutorials, while a fitness creator could feature their branded workout gear during exercise videos. These integrations promote the products and reinforce the creator's credibility and connection with their audience. A strong connection with an audience is vital to creators' business success, as audience loyalty and trust significantly influence purchasing decisions. When followers feel a genuine connection with a creator, they are more likely to support their ventures and view their recommendations as authentic and trustworthy. This loyalty allows creators to leverage their relationships with fans to promote products effectively. Their endorsements carry weight and resonate deeply with their audience. For instance, when a creator shares a personal story about a product they love, it fosters a sense of relatability and encourages fans to purchase. The future landscape of businesses owned by content creators is poised for remarkable growth and diversification. As more creators recognize the potential of their platforms, we are witnessing an increasing trend of launching various business ventures that extend beyond traditional merchandise. Creators are innovating across multiple industries, from beauty and fashion lines to tech startups and wellness brands. They leverage their unique insights and audience connections to fill market gaps. This trend allows creators to express their creativity and positions them as influential entrepreneurs who can drive change within their respective fields. The innovative potential is vast. Creators can introduce new products, services, and experiences that resonate with their followers, often leading to groundbreaking ideas that challenge established norms. As the creator economy continues to evolve, it presents exciting opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to explore their passions and build their brands. We are ready to jump into the step-by-step actions, but before we do, if this video sparks something within, please smash that subscribe button. It will help us a great deal. Thank you. These are the step-by-step actions to start your journey. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to crack the code finally, this is the step-by-step guide to starting your journey. Step 1. Define your niche. Success on YouTube starts with clarity. What are you passionate about? What value can you bring to your audience? Finding your niche is critical, whether it's cooking, fitness, tech reviews, gaming, or even comedy sketches. Why? Because it allows you to attract a loyal audience hungry for your content. Don't just aim to please everyone, aim to be unforgettable to a specific group. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Here's the thing, you don't need a $2,000 camera to succeed. Start with what you have, even if it's just your phone. Focus on lighting, clear audio, and compelling storytelling. The key is providing value, education, or inspiration. Remember, content is king, but consistency is queen. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Step 3. Optimize your videos for discovery. Want to get noticed? Learn to speak the language of YouTube's algorithm. Use keyword-rich titles, captivating thumbnails, and engaging descriptions to attract people. Don't forget to add tags and use playlists to keep viewers on your channel longer. Your goal is simple. Get discovered and keep your audience watching. Step 4. Build an engaged community. Here's the secret. Subscribers don't just watch, they trust. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. When your viewers feel like they're part of a community, they'll stick with you, and that's when the magic of monetization happens. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue. But don't stop there. Explore brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own merchandise or digital products. Multiple income streams are the secret sauce of successful YouTubers. Step 6. Analyze and improve. YouTube is a game of growth and evolution. Use analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Experiment with new ideas, learn from your mistakes, and constantly refine your strategy. Remember, even the biggest YouTubers started small. They just never gave up. The journey to making money on YouTube isn't about luck. It's about action. The steps are here. The tools are in your hands. The only thing standing between you and success is the choice to start. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future and turn your passion into profit? It's time to stop watching others live the dream and start building your own. Hit that record button. Your journey begins now. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Your engagement helps us continue to explore topics that matter to you. Don't forget to check out our related videos for more in-depth discussions on the creator economy and entrepreneurship. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you.